First time here, huh? Let me walk you through what's going to happen in your initial exam. First, you're going to sit in this chair where we're going to examine and go over your complete history, and we're going to get a detailed tale of your hygiene, or rather your sleep hygiene habits. From there, we're going to do a complete oral exam where I can see all the signs and symptoms of sleep issues in the mouth. And if you allow us, then we're going to go through a CT scan where now I can visualize and show you your whole airway from top to bottom and find all the areas of concerns. So we will guide you through the whole way.